Top 5 Best Lawn Tractor Batteries. 1. ExpertPower EXP1250. The ExpertPower EXP1250 is a 12-volt 20R SLA rechargeable, with threaded terminals. This rugged, sturdy, sealed, 20 amp-hour, lead-acid battery is also ideal for both lawn mowers and lawn tractors. 2. Universal Power Group 12V35R John Deere Lawn Garden Tractor Riding Mower SLA. The UB12350 is also an AGM-installed product, so you don't have to worry about leakages or mounting position. Its sturdy, impact-resistant case can absorb shocks and vibrations well. The best part is that the battery can provide a solid 35 hours of power. 3. Universal Power Group UBCD 5745 lead-acid battery. The best thing about this battery is that it's so versatile. It can be used for diverse applications, which include powering snowmobiles, motorcycles, watercraft equipment, and ATVs. It also works well with UPS systems and lighting equipment. 4. ExpertPower EXP1250. Stress-free maintenance and versatile functionality are the two reasons to choose this product. It offers the capability for all kinds of temporary power requirements, along with its specialized performance in lawn tractors. 5. Powerstar 106-8397PS12-3.3. This battery is another great replacement battery for the tricky battery housing of Toro tractors. It has all the features that you've come to expect from Powerstar, which are a sealed construction, AGM system, maintenance-free performance, and gas recombination. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.